My hostel warden frequently said that other students are sleeping while you are studying till late night. In response to these words, my philosophy was that who will awake, their feet will awake, but who will sleep, their feet will also sleep. With this message, you are hearing Saima Ismail. In words, we will learn a lot of English words, their meanings, and what are their sentences. Let's see what is the lesson for today. Remember, yaad rakhna. Mothers remember their duties. Gentle, Sharif. He is a gentleman. Encourage, हौसला अफजाई करना. Our teacher should encourage her students. Follower, पैरोकार. We are follower of Islam. Include, शामिल या शामिल करना. Apples include in good food. This was the all about for today. To learn more words, more sentences. Stay connected with us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.